I am going to show you how to highlight based on the condition in Power BI. So we have this bar chart that we have sales by month for the year of 2020. We also have budget data, so we want to check whether the sales was higher than the targets. What we do is we look for the targets and then we will bring it into the line y-axis here. So we see that in the month of July our target was way above the sales that we had, so this is like a negative. In the month of November the same thing happened. But then what if we don't want it like this? What we can also do is we can highlight the bars itself that had the lower sales than the targets that we had anticipated. So we just have the sales. What we can do is to create a new measure, and then for the in the measure, what we are going to do is we are going to compare the sales versus target. So we are going to call it compare sales underscore target. Then we say if the target was greater than the sales, it should be -1 -1, and else it should be, call it 0. So this would help us with conditional formatting. Go here, then we click on the into the columns. In the columns section we have the color, so we would want to use a conditional formatting for that. So this is our conditional formatting. We are going to base it on rules. So for the rules, we are being asked which field we should base this on, and we are going to base it on the measure we created. So this is the measure that we created, and we are going to say if this is equal to the -1, which means the target was more than sales, which is a number, then we are going to make this red. Click on OK, and yeah, so this is how you would see. We see in the month of May our target was 840,000, whilst we had a sales of 767, which is lower.